Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issue on the window. So how you can resolve that in Windows 10 and 11 the laptop or PC overheating while gaming or multitasking. Don't worry, this video will show you how you can fix that overheating issues quickly. So and keep your system running cool and fast. So follow these steps to fix your issue. First step is that open Task Manager and the Control plus Shift plus Escape. They are the shortcut to open the Task Manager. And the other thing is check CPU and GPU usage. Just like that, I'm going to the Task Manager. Just press the Shift and Escape to directly go into the Task Manager, and it's going to the Performance and to check that my CPU working properly or not. If it's taking too much utilizations, speed, it's working properly or not. So in case it's working good, so I'm gonna minus it, and unnecessary background process, so I'm gonna end the unnecessary background app. Just like that, going to the process and just end up some necessary apps from the background. Just like that, I want to end that view stacks, I want to end that one, and just for not it, just end that process. Just right click and the option of end task, just end that task. And the third option is that open settings, systems, power battery, power mode, and best power efficiency. Choose that. So fourth one is clean your air vents and fans to improve airflow. So you just have to clean your laptop air fans and the PC air fans to properly working and properly airflow. Update your graphics and chips drivers from the device manager and just update that drivers. And the sixth one is command the prompt. Copy the prompt, use the prompt in the command prompt element to find power issues. Just like that, copy the prompt of the powercfg slash energy in the command prompt to find which is power issues, which way power issues is held. So after that, restart your PC and monitors temperature, problem solved. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming window problems solutions.